Hi. Okay, so welcome to my chaotic kitchen, and tonight I'm going to make some mac and cheese. It's a vegan mac and cheese, plant-based. So here we've got a whole bunch of ingredients here, which I'm going to show you as I throw them in. All right, so first of all, we're going to put some steamed potato and some steamed carrot. The carrots for color. The lovely carotene in, and we're going to put some plant-based milk. This is oat milk, and some olive oil, lemon juice, nutritional yeast known as nooch. Okay, and in here I've got some garlic, some onion, and some salt. Okay, here we go. Stuck a bit here. There we go. Right, everything's in. And I'm doing this in MiHealthmaker Blender. So in comes the pusher, tamper, pusher. Done. Nice creamy sauce, cheese sauce, mac and cheese. Let's take our lid off. Oh, gee whiskers, when you're a bit short, you know, it's difficult to get the lid off. Now just check that out. Wow, look at that. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, look at that. Mac and cheese. Hi, so now I'm going to do some tomato, because I like tomato on the top of my mac and cheese. I know somebody who doesn't, but I can make it special for that person, you see. No names, no petrol, just follow my eyes. She's with me now. You see, there we go. She's pressing the buttons there for me. Okay, here we go. This is a special tomato knife. It was a gift from my daughter. Cut slices, OMG. Too beautiful. You've got to be careful your fingers. You don't slice those as well. Can you turn the oven on? I don't think so. Turn the oven on now. Didn't turn the oven on. Yes, it's on. Yeah, it's on now. It's on 180. 180. There we go. So, the pasta's nearly ready. I'm ready to dish into this nice big dish here, which is enough for plenty people, hungry people. Here's our pasta master. Okay, so now we're going to pop it in the oven. There we go. Timer on. Make it, give 30 minutes. 8, 9, 30. There we go. On and away we go. I think this must be ready by now. Wow, looking good. It's out. Pretty hot. Turn off, fan off, oven off. There we go. Oh wow, look at that. It's pretty damn delicious to me. There we go. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Woo. That's what I call mac and cheese.